Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's from thecesarlife.com, and welcome to another episode of the vlog, number 85, which means less than a week till the season finale. Man, it's been a fun journey, man, and I want to spend this episode just reflecting, even though it's still early. Well, not quite, but like, if you really get a grasp of how this thing really works, it's just amazing, man. And I'm trying to be an advocate for all those that were on the fence. Just throw your hat in the ring. You can have anything that you want. You just got to know what you want, right? And this is the realizations that's going in my head. I'm like starting to get everything that I want on schedule, you know, and it's just amazing to see. It's just like you're just growing and becoming, slowly evolving. You know, sometimes, some days you're anxious and you just want all of it in a lump sum. And the next days you're just like thankful for the process, you know, and it's been amazing. I can't complain. I'm making tons of new connections, and these connections are direct results of these vlogs, you know. I've just got another gig, so going to finalize the details. So that is 2 new projects that I'm taking on. And I'm going to be traveling all summer, so these projects are going to be awesome and crucial for me because they'll just pay for these trips, you know what I'm saying? Man, anyway, so also I've been on Instagram, so Instagram stories, so I've been also vlogging on Instagram stories. So if you are if these long form sort of vlogs aren't your speed and you just really want to go through and just see the highlights, go through my Instagram stories. And I'm going to continue to do that, you know, and make connections, offer value through my stories. You know, these prosperous ideas, these prosperous messages, all going to be in my stories. So you're going to get a live look at how my thought process is throughout the day. You know, not waiting a day for me to edit, put it all together. It's just live in the flesh, just like you hanging out with me, right? So it's been awesome going to do that, test that out for like a 90-day challenge as well. But just continuing to do it, you know, just making it a habit because connecting, you know, with my audience is the #1 goal, and providing value is the goal, right? So just gonna hammer that home. And man, Project X. First of all, if you are a fit professional, or if you are thinking about going to be a fitness professional, join the Fit Pro Development League Facebook group, man. This is where you'll meet tons of new coaches, all striving to better themselves, all striving for the same thing. Also, if you want coaching by me, online coaching is available, right? If your budget, you know, I work with all budgets, and I also have my live program, so go through that. There's a community waiting for you as well. So I'm all about building communities, man, and the end of the road is merging this community, these communities I'm building together, and making one big old grandiose community where everybody is just mind, body, soul fulfilled, you know? Whew, man, I'm just rambling a little bit. Anyway, yeah, just wanted to send this positive message, positive video out there, man. What can I say? I am truly blessed and truly grateful for the opportunity to serve you guys, man. And any way that I can, just let me know. Anyway, peace.